a closer look. Thrive Life Bakery Fudge Brownies. Hello guys, and welcome back to my kitchen. And in today's video we are going to be taking a closer look at Thrive Life Bakery's the fudge brownie mix. Now because it's a bakery item, I can't like mix up a little tiny bit and show you what it looks like. It's not gonna work, but I do somewhere, if not a link below, I have an instructional review on the brownie mix. So let's take a closer look at what the brownie mix looks like. Now I can tell you I really enjoy the brownie mix. My whole family loved it. They didn't even last a day in my house when I made up the mix. On the back of it they give you instructions, preparation instructions. 4.5 cups of the brownie mix. Into a mixing bowl, add 2/3 cup hot water. Stir until well blended. Pour into a 9x13. I can tell you right now from experience and from that brownie review, use an 8x8. Trust me, use an 8x8. It says you can add an egg to make it more of a cake-like brownie. We didn't do that. We had added oil because we like a more fudgy brownie. However, I can tell you this mix itself doesn't need any more oil added to it to make it more fudgy. It's already beautifully fudgy, but I would recommend adding the egg. So let's get in here and take a closer look. Now I'm not sure if the camera's going to pick it up, but yeah, it will. Those little tiny white chunks in here, those are chunks of the I believe it's the butter mix, or the shortening powder. The ingredients in here: powdered sugar, enriched wheat flour, iron, thiamine I can't even pronounce that word, riboflavin, cane sugar, cocoa, shortening powder, that's what it is. Those little white specks are shortening powder. Egg whites, whole egg yolk, dried egg whites, salt, baking powder, sodium bicarbonate, cornstarch, monocalcium phosphate. So it's like any other, to a certain degree, store-bought mix on the shelves. However, this keeps longer. I personally think this tastes better than any brownie mix I've bought in a store. I will say I like my own homemade brownies, but I will definitely be buying and storing on my shelves this brownie mix for prep. I love the way that this brownie mix looks. You can see all the different little ingredients in here. It's beautiful, and for me the best part is it smells like a brownie. I mean, the store-bought mixes, when you buy them and you smell them, for me they smell kind of floury and kind of dull and dead, but this smells like chocolate, and I don't like really good chocolate fudge brownies. I'm not sure why. I pick up a hint of mint, but I can tell you from making it and tasting it, there is no mint. I don't know why I smell a hint of mint, but I do. That just might be me. Alright guys, that is a closer look at the fudge brownie mix. Thanks for coming along on this video, and if you would like to see more of these, let me know in the comment section down below. Also in the comments down below, let me know if there's anything else you would like me to take a closer look at. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next one, and remember, stay positive. Bye guys.